Thank you, Korean Amma, for buying this. Now I'm gonna open it and make it.
B14 or F14? Got it. बन्दैछ
We are almost ready. But this key. This is the last part.
All right. Okay.
Okay, now we're done. Should
Okay.
I try it?
Yep.
Okay. Let's do it. Whoa.
Whoa. Can I see that? How does it fit in your hand?
Like this.
Okay.
Wait, I think that needs to go like that. And ta-da!
Whoa. Hey, Robot man. Let me see your hand. Wow. That's a very good project.
I know. Okay. Ta-da!
Wow. त्यसलाई त्यहाँ राखिदेऊ.
Let's put it away.
Yeah. Grab something else.
Ah! Let's try to grab the small stuff.
Okay.
Oh, I grabbed it!
Right. Yeah. No, it fell on that.
Yeah.
Good job.
Here you go.
That's what? That's so nice.
Look at this.
Wow.
Life with a robot hand. We're testing our robot hand.
All right.
Okay, that was one finger. This
Okay.
time we're gonna lift some bottles.
Wow.
Put it in. Oh, wait, let me just push that so it doesn't fall.
Okay. Grab
Grab
that.
this one.
Okay.
Last one.
Can
I
you-
know we have a lot of stuff.
Can you grab the hat?
What hat? Is
Yeah.
this hat?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try. Let me just move it a little.
Yeah.
I don't think I can grab it.
Okay.
Wait.
Can you grab that ball? The tennis
Ball?
ball? Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa!
It fell down.
Whoa.
All right, it's okay.
I'm gonna try again. Oh no. Okay, there we go.
There you go.
Try to fit it in the bucket. Oh, it landed between those. Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Yep.
Wait, first let me take it out. That hurts. Okay. Let's try.
Oh, because it's very
Okay.
it doesn't have the grip. That's why.
Okay, there we go. I just need to push it out.
All right. Does it work as
Yes, it
you
does.
expected? Can you show me one more time all the fingers of the robot hand?
So we have these three. I know there's no pinky, but we use our pinky.
Okay.
So we just do that. To move our thumb, we push that so it can do that.
Oh. Okay. Good one. Good job, engineer.
I finally made this robot hand and I'm gonna test it out. Let's try to grab this. We got it!
Good job.
Thank you, Cora and Amma, for these stuff.
Pokemon.
Pokemon! Bye-bye. Bye. Watch my full video. Subscribe, like, and share. My YouTube channel is called My Allen Shows. Find fun, science, technology, and friends. Bye.